today's video, you guys, I have a nail supply haul. Amazon, KUPA, things like that. Just, you know, your everyday things that you need for your nail business, and some newbies that I wanted to try out. Also, I got stones and stuff like that. So if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, you guys, go ahead and subscribe. Press the post notification bell button so you're notified every time I upload a new video, you guys. If not, you're gonna miss my videos. So hopefully you join the family so that way you are, you know, updated every time I upload. All right, you guys, so basically for today's video, we're just gonna show you everything. Okay, so first thing we got here is this GERSHION polygel set. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, all this stuff is at the bottom. No. Okay, guys, there was a lot of stuff in there. It has these, I was gonna say foils, these nail forms. Like, look at this. The GERSHION box also comes with some dual forms that look like that. They also come, ooh, these are cute. Some diamonds that look like this. And they are like different colors. It also comes with their little how-to manual. Oh, it has two dual forms. I don't know if that was an accident. A file, and it is a 100/180 file. It comes, ooh, some hollow butterfly little, what are they called? The hollow butterfly glitters. It comes with a brush. There goes the brush end and the spatula end. Okay. This can go in the garbage. Has a little thank you card. And then the rest of it, dang, that was a lot of stuff. And then the rest of the box just has all of these. It has the base coat and top coat. It has the cleanser, and it has the 6 polygel glitters. I'm going to just open one and see what it looks like. This one looks a little bit more like glitter than the last time. It didn't look like glitter last time. Ooh, that's too close. It's like kind of glittery. This is a very pretty color. Hopefully it goes back in. So the second thing, I actually had gotten 3 of these, but I already opened one. It's back there somewhere. I'm already using it. So I got 3 of these buffers. This one's already open. I got 3 packs and they look like this, and I really like these so far. I have bought them before, but these feel a lot better than the first time that I got them. So they're just orange buffing blocks. Because I only use 1 per client, when I'm done with them, they are able to take them home. I will leave all the links, guys, in the description box below because these are really good buffers. Press on, I think these are 50 pack of their little sticky tabs for press on nails. So I am going to be selling press on nails soon. I've been trying to do this for so long, but it just, I haven't had a chance, and I was doing the cosmetic line, still working on the cosmetic line, even though it's up. So check out PrettyCoutureCosmetics.com. I'll leave that in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. We are actually trying new products right now from vendors to see which is the best. So I'm going to be adding new products to the Pretty Couture website soon enough, hopefully. So this will be the next project of mine, the press on business, and I will be adding little by little like nail tips, acrylic and stuff like that on that website, but it's going to be a totally different website. So keep a lookout for that video when I launch it. Also, because that's going to be for 2021. So also this little thing right here I saw a video from V Nails It, and she said that she got this tobacco grinder. I already obviously used it. You can see the red powder. She said she used it to mix her own acrylics. And I had a client that needed a burgundy color, and I didn't really have the exact one she had. I did have a lot of different burgundies, but she wanted a specific color, so I personally made it for her before she came when she sent me the picture. So I actually added black and red into this little grinder, mixed it up, and added it into a container. So this is actually the one that I made for her, and it came out just like how she wanted it. So I'll try to put a picture right here so you guys can see the exact way it came out. The next thing is Mia's Secret Gel Resin. You can never have enough. I also got a Perfect Black Madam Glam Gel Polish. I already have one, but this is another one because, you know, I always use black for chromes and stuff like that, and people really like the color black. Also, I have their non-wipe. You know how they usually had their like tacky layer one? I prefer the non-wipe. Just any brand, I prefer the non-wipe top coat. Also, we got a bunch of PANA files. This is a 50 pack and this is a 100. These are my favorite files. These are the second time ordering them, and I think these, out of all the files I've ever tried, these are my favorite, and I think they're around $27. Not too bad for 50 files. Okay guys, I won't be able to show you all of these because it's a lot. Okay, I got a bunch of Swarovskis. So we have a purple, some multicolor, green, blue. Ooh, these are new. These are like a purple iridescent, pink iridescent, some regular clear. Ooh, these neon pinks are so pretty. Look at that. Ooh. We also got some, what are these, AB or no? I don't know what these are. I think they're AB. I want to say they are, but they kind of shine a little bit different. So I don't know what they are exactly, but they're really nice. We got some red ones because you guys know B-Day's coming up, and who doesn't like red for Valentine's Day? We also got, oh, these I've been wanting for a while. These are like the pearl ones, and these are gonna be cute to kind of mix it up with the diamonds. I'm probably gonna get another pack of these. I really like those. I got some green and yellow color, and I got, these ones were from Michael, by the way. I ordered this from Michael. All the other stuff was Amazon, you guys. I'll leave all the links for the Amazon products in the description box in case you guys want to find them. These are just like some bluish, like some light blue with some clear Swarovskis. And then the last thing that I got, you guys, is my package from KUPA. So let's open this one up. Okay, so I like how KUPA has like personal custom tape. That's how I know it was the KUPA. And then I like how they package everything. They just like make sure that it comes the way it's supposed to. And then it looks like that. Oh wait, it's something else. You guys, I got a KUPA sticker. Oh, they've never used to send stickers. Oh, I can't wait to put this somewhere. Okay. And then they gave me a Mani Pro 2.0 stylish, responsive, power, affordable luxury. I guess they're trying to advertise their new drill. And this booklet just comes with a bunch of stuff so you can look at it. Ooh, look at that lamp. I need to look at this. Okay. And then it just came with my invoice, and it was $62.95 for, let me see if you guys can see it, $62.95 for whatever I ordered for my monomer. This is the 60, is it 62 ounce? Let me see. 32 ounce. I don't know why I was thinking 62. This is the 32 ounce. Oh, look, everything is different now. I haven't ordered since last year. I really like how they packaged this. So cute, KUPA. Good job. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it from the top to make it easier because I had ran out of monomer like a week ago. So I had to buy a Young Nose one really quick at my local Cosmoprop. And this has always sits here. So not only is it already packaged, and it was packaged in, where's the other thing, and that other paper, and then this, and then all that paper. Perfect packaging. They get a, like A++ with me when it comes to packaging. They literally personalize it with their company name and everything, and then it comes safely and secured. So this is the traditional monomer. This is my favorite monomer. I use this monomer with their powder. So I do have their powder right here. And the powder, I used to use their traditional powder, the clear one. Now I use the Rapid Set Advanced because I wanted some powder that sets a lot faster. So that's what I'm using now. I like it, I love it, good combo. If you guys want to find a really good liquid and like liquid and powder acrylic system, I would suggest, highly suggest this brand. And they always have a couple, I think 25% off depending on, and especially if it's your first time, go to the app. That's really, you'll get all the coupon codes, and they'll have them sometimes in the front of the app. So yeah, get yourself the app for KUPA. I can't say enough how much I love this. This is like compared to Young Nails to C&D. For me, I really think it's like really high end. So that's it pretty much, you guys. That is all I got for you. I really hope you really liked this video. I wanted to share with you guys what I got because I know you guys get so excited to see what else I bought in. These are my favorite types of videos to watch too. The nail supply hauls, the Amazon nail supply hauls, love them. So maybe if I order more stuff for my press-on business, maybe I'll do a press-on nail haul or something like that. But yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. Please subscribe again if you haven't already. Join the family, and God bless you guys so much. I love you guys so much. But before I let you go, let me do the post notification shout out. Okay, guys, so my camera just got cut off. So today's notification shout out goes to Nail Skills, and she said, oh my gosh, I love the Dollar Tree hauls. It gives me always inspiration. The nail stuff, I don't have to, it doesn't have to be expensive. All right, guys, thank you so much for commenting in that last video that I did. And until next time, I love you guys so much. God bless. Bye-bye.